Hi friend, today we will discuss the trial and error method using 82 ms Kelsey. For solving this first equation as shown in video, we will follow the procedure. First press 0 equals to, then here shown in the equation, here is x square, so put under root, then bracket it, 13, put the value of the equation, 13 minus 8. Here we have to find the x, so x is the answer. So click here answer and close the bracket, and it will give us answer which is 3.6. So the value of equation x equals to 3.6. Now for solving the second equation, in which here is x cube. So for solving this equation, follow the same procedure with a little bit of difference. X equals to shift and press x cube, because here it's cube. Then close the bracket and put the value of the equation, which is 10.3 plus 6.01, and here we have to find the x, which is the answer. So put answer and close the bracket and give equal to, and press equal to till then you get the first three value constant. See 1.7, it's changed, 2.8, it became 2.8, 3.01, 3.05, 3.05, 3.06, 06, 06, 06. So it's become constant. So the answer of it is 0.6. So the answer of x is 0.6. You can try for the equation you have. Let's start the third method. We have to find the answer for under root x using the x cube. Follow the same procedure, just put under root above the answer. Press 0 equals to shift x cube bracket is this equation 160.77 plus 33.12 under root x means answer bracket 5.43. Press equal to till then you get the first three value constant. It give a constant 6.24. So the answer is 6.24. So x equals to 6.24. It's the simplest method for solving the trial and error method using 82 ms Kelsey. Thank you.